So we just pulled in this 2019 F250 and we're gonna put on the painted parts. We got front and rear bumpers, we got emblems for the front and back, we got fender badges, mirror caps, tailgate handle, and that's pretty much it. Oh, door handles. We got paint matched door handles as well. And I think that's about it for now, but we'll be assembling these bumpers and putting on the rest of the painted parts to follow.
That's where you got it from?
Yeah.
Okay. I can do it.
Well, there's one white tab. You know what that's for? Block heater. Connects right to the...
If you ask people to do what to do, they'll just do it for you. Right, Adrian?
Sure. Just trying to help you out.
Does it pop down into there? Perfect. Just like that. Thank you, buddy.
And then these panels.
Yeah. They pop into the side of there?
They go in there.
Okay.
License plate cover goes over.
That's what I figured. I just wanted to know where this mount's at, because you took it apart. Stop with the ruckus. I'm trying to do something. I'm just assembling this front bumper to put on this Super Duty here, so we can get it out and probably sell it.
So I'm just putting together this rear bumper. It's got backup sensors on it. Got to make sure they're on first. It's kind of difficult to reach in there after the fact. I'd say the worst part about installing bumpers is trying not to scratch them. You just got to take your time and do a good job, I guess.
To the front take it. Preaching is pretty generic, man.
Nope, Ford ones break when you take them off.
Okay, you gotta give me some. I'm just gonna get to the front.
This is my secret Ford stash. Everything Ford. There's a Ford one.
It's too late now.
Never too late. There, just did your job for you again.
You want me to hold it while you plug it in?
Yeah, I might be able to plug it in from underneath. That's I couldn't have done it without you.
You could have.
I would have scratched something, for sure. It happened. Figured that'd be a bright idea.
I wonder. There it goes.
Remember, you break it, you bought it.
You got more money than I do. I'm poor.
Just got the rear bumper on. Jane helped me with that. Now he's still working on the front bumper, but we should be able to get that on soon. We do have some black tow hooks to go on. Right about here. Tow hooks first, then the front bumper. Then we can put the grille on, emblem, and that's it for the front end. There's no seats. Someone should bring seats for us.
Seats are good. Seats are a good option.
We'll figure it out. How is it?
Yep.
Delicious. Awkward. How is it?
It's pretty good. You want a bite?
It's Friday. And it's past the day.
That's all. It's simple as that, but you can start it off with literally
He had a little Matco Tools speaker. It was like this big. It was fucking loud. One of the things we like to do here for the PSA Trucks team is we like to get them lunch on Fridays. Today's Friday and today's pasta day. We're ordering pasta from Eastside Mario's. Not a bumper?
On the, oh yeah, you did hold the bumper. Because on night 2.
I don't know, that looks like it was a fast bit of it.
It was.
Crashed it and was mad, I guess. Firewall. Firewall's still intact. Well, maybe I'm
Maybe next week we'll do something with the seats.
yeah, I don't go to sleep.
You open it like a man.
I thought it was locked, okay?
The front bumper's assembled. We're waiting on tow hooks and the grill. We're waiting for the painted grill piece, and we'll also install the front oval once the grill's back in place. Always gets forgotten. Then we're gonna put the hardware in and reach around.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna hold the bumper. You can push it through. Lucky arm and top.
Your hand.
Yeah.
All right. Send it. This one's sold, remember that. right, that's better. You get the rest of the hardware?
For what?
So we just finished putting on the front and rear bumpers. We also put on the paint matched mirror caps, door handles, oval for the back, tailgate handle, and these fender badges.
So I'm saying like Adrian and Jaden did a great job fucking reassembling this. So we had Adrian and Jaden get the parts put back on this 2019 F250 after they were all done in the all new body liner. The truck looks totally different now. Obviously total chrome delete, turned into black, and I think it totally changed the look of this truck, and hopefully the customer is going to be happy because this bad boy's getting delivered on Monday.
Oh, I forgot.
No, it was probably random.
Pulling out the hammer?
Hey?
Okay, so talk to me.
Testing.
Where is
This is what Devin left me with. Maybe a prune, a broken tab, and a broken 10 mil. Thanks, man.